In today's video, I'll teach you how to create WordPress account. First of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I have opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in wordpress.com, press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of WordPress. You'll be able to find various options over here. At top right corner of your screen, you'll be able to find the options for login and get started. Click on this option, get started. Now once you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can either create your account with Google, Apple, GitHub or email. So simply click on the account creation method of your choice. Here I'm just going to click on the option continue with email. If you also clicked on that option, you can see over here you have to enter your email. Click on the field of email. Now provide the email address over here. Make sure to enter the correct email address. Now after you provide your email, click on this option continue that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here you'll have to choose your domains. What you have to do is simply search for it. Click on the search bar. Now what you have to do is search for the domains. Now you'll be able to see the recommended domains over here. You'll be able to find various options. Also you'll be able to see the prices over here. So simply click on this option select that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here this particular domain will be selected. Now click on this option continue. Now you can see over here you'll have to choose the plans. You'll be able to see various plans over here. You'll be able to see the features. Also you'll be able to see the price. So you can simply compare the plans and get the plan of your choice. Or you can also start with a free plan. Here I'm just going to start with a free plan. For that click on this option start with a free plan. Now you can see over here your WordPress account has been created. So that is how you create WordPress account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.